Today I just managed to get to the bottom of Rolly Dolly Waterfalls. They are in Meltham, right in the heart of the fields and mountains. Only literally 10 minutes away from the state, 5 minutes from Meltham, and it's a beautiful scenic environment. You can do picnic here, you can come and relax with your kids. Only thing, need to wear the shoes which are friendly to walk because the path is slippery and muddy, and I did try a few different times but eventually I managed to get here. It's a beautiful scenic environment and I hope you like it. Thank you. From the Meltham Road you walk this newly built estate near the Meltham Recycle Centre. You can park near the recycling centre anywhere, it's a free parking, and this is a bridge. You need to walk over it and then you have to go through this bendy curvy track to get to the waterfalls. It's absolutely beautiful. We are on our way to Rolly Waterfalls in Meltham, and the day is very beautiful. It's been a bit cloudy. It is still cloudy but sun has just come out, and bluebells are presenting such a scenic atmosphere. I loved it. The walk was beautiful. وبحمده سبحان الله العظيم. Rolly Dolly Waterfalls, Meltham. It's about 15 minutes away from Meltham, in the heart of nowhere.